Okay, beautiful people, I'm here. It's Miraya. I'm here getting my feed ready to give my chickens. So let me show you what I got. Right here I have my chicken feed. This is a regular feed. Because it is cold, I just love to add some nice water in there. You see what we got? And then right here I have their little treat. These are mealworms. These are mealworms. Look at them. I just like to add a little bit of mealworm. This is very high in protein and calcium. So they're gonna enjoy. We have some mealworms and some yummy food. So I got this beautiful food for my fresh chickens. You look at them. Are you guys ready to eat some food? Nah, yeah. Now wow. Now how will the care una so? Eat now, enjoy. Yeah, let them enjoy.